And then I was really impressed by the orientation to the home. I'm a new single mom, and I was a little nervous about running a house all by myself and understanding all of the parts and how everything worked. And they took so much time to make sure I understood and felt comfortable with everything. My name is Emily, and this is Ember. This is Ryker, and this is Kade. I am a triplet, and I have a sister who lives in this neighborhood. And whenever I was looking for a home, I wanted a house that was within my budget, but also looked nice and had some nice details and amenities. And when my sister had such a great experience buying her home in this neighborhood and loves her home, she had the idea of me purchasing the house across the street. They had modeled it for me, and it was smack dab in the middle of my price range.
It was chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss.
Yeah.
And our other triplet sister is actually currently looking for a house in the neighborhood. So you're gonna have a set here soon. Mostly because of the bedrooms. I appreciated the bedroom layout with all of the kids' rooms being close together and right off the living room, and having a bedroom for each child. And the square footage was perfect too. My utilities are great. Every time I've had a friend come over to see our new house, they're always shocked at the actual square footage of the house, because especially the vaulted tall ceilings in the living room. Absolutely be recommending Tabor Homes to my friends and family, especially my triplet sister, who's currently looking for a home in my neighborhood. Something I have really loved about the community in my Tabor Homes neighborhood is all the amenities that they have included in this neighborhood. The pool and the playground and all the sidewalks that go all over the neighborhood, and the pond and the wooded area. My boys have had so much fun exploring that, and Ember have had so much fun exploring the different parts of the neighborhood.